camp is not about camping in some Ulu spot and drinking yourself silly till you pass out. So, what is bar camp actually? Bar camp is about being yourself, having fun, and meeting new people. What else do you get out of bar camp? You get to learn the stuff that you want. Want to know about web and technology? Do you need some help in solving your codes, maybe? Or do you just want to talk rocks and play games? It's all happening here at bar camp. Why? It's unconferenced, spontaneous, and casual. Plus, we want to spoil you and not waste your time or bore you till you hear your brain cells commit suicide. We want you to participate and listen to the stuff you want. Do you know what I love about bar camp? Everyone shares their view, personal experience, and has a say. And the best of all, it's free! Free. You're joking, right? Janet Jackson said the best things in life are free. Bar camp is one of the best things in life.